Hello guys. Now we're in another Avatar World playing. Yesterday I made my own self, which I'm still wearing the same accessories like right now, literally. And for a second I just noticed there were like some jackets over here. And for a second, when I closed the video, I just noticed you can actually add a jacket inside. Yeah, it's so weird. You can even color your own jacket, like any sort of color. Look at me, so cool. I want to color this jacket. Literally, it's so cool. You can even have this full zipped one. See? So that's what I learned. And now we have these two slots. Which I choose? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his tail. If he ran and let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So it's this one. This is gonna be, let's do my little brother, Rayon. His height, he is a bit taller of me, except he is the shortest. Well, that's my size. So he's the shortest. And I'm looking at him. Where's a sweater? A sweater. Only a gray sweater. And also he's wearing a then he also wears a chover. Okay. And he's also wearing blue socks like me. Okay, so now his hair is crazy, like this, or this, but no. I didn't mean to do that. I think this one is perfect, the perfect hairstyle. Yeah, it's a perfect hairstyle. Yeah, it doesn't need that back. Okay. I'll just do this, and he's a boy. Okay. Where's the cap? Okay, God, I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna leave the caps. He has no blush, like, yeah, but you have to scratch that never comes off. It's like it's here for like years ago, and I should make him this. So now he's my little brother, Rayon, and here's me. Okay, so now I made them both, but we're not just gonna leave the video because it's very quick. We're gonna make my mother.